Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. We're from Group 7 4PD and today we want to introduce or present our project called Wayway. The idea is simple. We just want to every tourist who comes to Batam to never feel lost again. So let's find your way with Wayway. Next. Before we dive into our presentation, let us quickly introduce ourselves. My name is Karina Sinta, as team leader, and beside me, this is Latifah Kalifatunisa, my partner in crime for this project. The two of us built this project from the ground up, with guidance from our project manager, Miss Dwi Amalia Purnamasari, SMCS. It's been a wild ride, but here we are. Okay, next. Before we get into what Wayway is, let's talk about the situation on the front. Batam is a city with massive tourism potential because in 2024 alone, it's record over 1.3 international visitors based on VPN data. That's a big number, right? But here's the problem. Finding reliable tourism information in Batam is still a hassle. The information is scattered everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Google Maps, random travel forums. You must have opened them one by one just to get a decent picture of where to go. And that frustration is exactly where Wayway comes from. And next, we identified two main problems in Wayway. The problems number one is for tourists. Imagine this: you just arrived in Batam, or you're planning to trip here. You want to find a destination that matches your interest and budget, but you have to juggle multiple platforms, scroll endlessly, and still end up unsure which source to trust. It's hosting and it was time that could be spent actually enjoying the trip. The second problem is for local destination owners. There are so many great places in Batam that most tourists never heard about, not because they're not good, but because the owners don't have easy access to effective digital promotion tools. The potential is there, but the visibility isn't. There are two main problems where it's designed to solve. And for next slide, it will be represented by our teammates, Lalifah Khalfatunsa.
Okay, so that's one problem we identified and that's why Wayway was created. Wayway is the iPower tourism platform that helps simplify travel experience in Batam. Instead of searching information from different platforms, users can find everything in one place. So overall, Wayway is designed to make your travel more practical, efficient, and enjoyable. Next. Now let's talk about the objective of Wayway. First, we want to simplify travel planning by providing a complete tourism information in a single platform. Second, we aim to enhance user experience by using AI, especially through features like AI chatbot, assistant, and automatic itinerary generation. Third, we want to support digital tourism by helping destination owners to promote their place more effectively. So Wayway is essential to Batam economic growth. It drives tourism and support the local business. Next. In Wayway, we have three main users. There is a tourist, admin, and the owner. I'll explain the feature of actor. First, the tourists, they have to explore destination, search and filter based on their preference, give a review and rating, and use the AI chatbot and generate itineraries. For destination owner, they can manage their destination data, also promote their destination by upgrading their promotion package to reach more users. And for the admin, they manage the overall system, including destination, user, promotion, feature, and also handling the end requests from the destination owner. Each actor have a clear role. Together, they create a connection to the ecosystem. Next. This is the key feature of Wayway application. First, we have an AI chatbot called Waybot, which help users get recommendation in real time based on their preference. Secondly, automatic itinerary generator, which help users plan their trip more efficiently, including the routes and time estimate. Third, we have promotion and upgrading system. For destination owner, through this feature, the owner can purchase promotion package to increase their visibility on their destination on the platform. So this feature not only help the user plan their trip, but also support destination owner to growing their business. Next. This application flow, now I will explain how the tourists use Wayway step by step. First, the user open the Wayway application, then they can explore destination by browsing categories and view detail like a photo, rating, and price. After that, user can use AI feature in two ways, either chatting with chatbot and recommendation with itinerary. Next, the system will provide results such as recommendation destination or structured itinerary with routes and time estimate. Finally, user can save destination, give a review and rating, share their plan, and continue interact with chatbot. This flow is designed to make sure the user experience simple and interactive. Next. Okay, we go to AI architecture of Wayway. The first layer is data layer, where the system collects data from various sources, such as destination data, user review description, pricing, categories, and promotion data. This data provide both admin and destination owner. Before being used, the data goes through reprocessing, text cleaning, text concatenation, value normalization, and attribute selection. Next, I will hand it back to Karina.
Okay, next is the model layer. The model layer is where the main AI processing happens, and it consists of two pipelines, the chatbot and the itinerary system. For the chatbot system, the first process the user's message the chatbot, detects the intent, and identifies whether the user needs recommendations. If so, the chatbot collects user preference such as travel type, budget, companions, travel type, and duration and location. Based on this input, the system filter and rank destinations using SQL, Bayesian scoring, and then send to Gemini Flash to using few short prompting to generate a natural response with exactly true recommendations. And for the itinerary pipeline, the system takes user preference such as duration, interest, budget, travelers, and location, then filters and rank destination in a similar way. The first of pipeline itinerary is content-based filtering and Bayesian average scoring, Haversian formula, grade the nearest neighbor or the TSP, or number 5 is OSRM API for the validation, and the result is itinerary result. Okay, next it's application layer and envelopes. The application layer connects the AI system to the user. The backend API handles requests from the chatbot and itinerary features, manage sessions, and communicate with the database. The front-end interface provides the user interface, including the chatbot, destination display, and itinerary planner. As a result, users receive personalized output in the form of tree recommendation or a structured travel itinerary. To keep the system improving, we implement an envelopes layer. This includes user feedback, rating and review, database update by admin and owners, and chatbot history logging. All of these components create a feedback loop that continuously improves the quality of the system over time. Next is testing. Performance testing shows that AI-powered features using the Google Gemini Flash API respond with 3 until 9 seconds, while local operations such as peak loading and reverse geocoding complete in approximately 1 second, demonstrating stable and efficient system performance. Next.
Okay, I will explain the project assignment. First, the user has acceptance testing UAT complete as if 95.3% pass went from 61 per 64 test case pass with all identified defects solved before the deployment approval. Next is functional integration testing complete. Successfully counted 75 automatic test case with 144 assertions. Verify all major system functionalities and model integration. Third is API testing successfully complete. All API endpoints were successfully tested using Postman, including validation, authentication, response, structure, and endpoint functionality.
Okay, next. So for our conclusion, Wayway is an AI-powered tourism platforms that help users get personalized recommendation and generate travel itinerary easily. With chatbot that gives true relevant recommendations and itinerary system that generates simple day-by-day travel plans. Okay, that's all from our presentation. Thank you for listening. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.